Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome back to my quilt room. You may notice I'm not in the quilt room today. This quilt that we're showing you is number 7 in the memory quilts that I've been making. And this one was king size. It's 110 by 90, and I didn't have anywhere to really hang it up and give you a good close-up look at it, so we brought it over here to the church. Now the name of this pattern is called Diamond Patch, and it's a pattern from Pleasant Valley Creations. So this is what this quilt that I used the lady who passed her clothes to make, and I altered it just by a few rows in size in order to get it to the size that she wanted. This pattern was created by Diana Bobine, and forgive me if I said the name incorrectly. It does give you 5 different sizes that you can make, and it is set on point, but she didn't want red in the outer border. She wanted blue. And so that's what we did, and I just think it turned out beautiful. I really like it. This is what I've been working on for the past month or so, and just like the others, I did put a label with a scripture on the back of it. It's in memory of her grandmother, and I just love the quilting on it. It's beautiful. It's all swirls. I think it was called Curly Q. So anyway, this is just a quick update to show you what I've been doing, what I've been working on. And this is number 7 of the memory quilts. If you want to go back and check out that link and look at the other memory quilts that I've made. There'll be a couple of more beyond this one. So until the next time, I hope you're following me along on the block of the month. And there'll be an update coming with that pretty soon. So until we see you in August, for now, bye.